Yo, what is up, gearheads? Welcome back to Shift 100, the only channel that cuts through the marketing BS and gets straight to the boost. Today, we are looking at something that's genuinely messing with my head, the 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid. Yeah, I said it, hybrid. But hold up, don't click away. This ain't your grandpa's Prius. Honda has officially dropped the mic with the 2026 Civic Hybrid, and they are coming out swinging. Forget everything you thought you knew about hybrids being boring, eco-weenie appliances. This thing is packing a completely reworked 2.0-liter Atkinson-cycle four-banger. But here's the kicker. It's paired with a two-motor electric system. This isn't just about saving gas, this is about torque. Instant, neck-snapping torque. Let's break down the numbers, because that's what we do here. The gas engine alone, a sleepy 141 horses. The electric motor, 181 horses, but when they dance together, the total system output is a massive 200 horsepower and, more importantly, 232 pound-feet of torque. That's SI territory, people. And that torque is available right from 0 RPM. This Civic is a sleeper off the line. We're seeing 0 to 60 times in the low 6-second range, around 6.2, which is seriously quick for a car that isn't wearing a red R badge. Now let's talk about the transmission. It's an eCVT, but it's not the slushy rubber band nightmare you're thinking of. Honda engineered this direct drive system to feel aggressive. Under hard acceleration, it simulates shifts, giving you that satisfying vroom thwack feeling that performance drivers crave. It's smart. It knows when you want power and when you want to cruise. Plus, you get deceleration selectors, basically paddle shifters for regenerative braking. You can dial in how aggressive the engine braking is, which is high-key a feature straight out of an EV playbook, and it makes canyon carving surprisingly engaging. So what's the downside? The purists are going to cry about the lack of a true manual. I get it, and while the simulated shifts are good, it's still not the same as slamming your own gears in a Type R. It's also front-wheel drive only, so you torque steer fanatics will have something to complain about. But the chassis? It's pure Civic. It's tight, the multi-link rear suspension keeps it planted, and the steering is razor sharp. The buzz around this car was insane. It was a top finalist for the Motor Trend Car of the Year. Now, real talk, it didn't take the gold. The VW Golf GTI/R snagged the trophy, mostly because the GTI is, well, the GTI, a legend. But the fact that this Civic Hybrid was even in the same conversation as the Golf R tells you everything you need to know. Honda built a hybrid that appeals to drivers, not just accountants. This is the new benchmark for a hot-ish hatch. It's got the performance to smoke a standard GTI in a drag race. Yeah, I said it, but it's also getting 50 miles per gallon in the city. 50! That's a cheat code. Look, the game is changing, and this 2026 Civic Hybrid is proof that fun and efficient aren't enemies anymore. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see more deep dives on the tech that's actually changing the game, you need to hit that subscribe button for Shift 100. We're the only ones telling you the real deal specs. Don't get left in the dust.